Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Journey to a Happy Life. Today I'm going to show you my squash plant. I have 5 in here and they're still small, maliliit pa pero may bulaklak, and hopefully one of the flower will turn into a fruit. So one of the squash is like this one, yan. There are 2 flowers and in there, pero that one is, I think, yung male flowers. And then okay naman yung tubo niya. I think it's healthy, although it's getting colder here, especially very early in the morning, since we are now in 20, I think it's November 23 today, or 22, I cannot remember, sorry. And then I have this other one in here also. I have squash. I fenced them because my dog and I want my dog and other animals not to get through my plants, but as you can see at night some of the animals are digging, going through, like that one right there. And I have also this other squash. It has flowers too, like this one right here. Got flowers now. I have another one in here. This is the 4th one. It's also small. It has flowers as well. And the last one I have is this one. This is a little bit bigger. It grows bigger, and this is the one that I'm hoping that flower right there, and then the one at the bottom right here, it will turn into a fruit. So okay guys, I hope you like my very short video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and keep on gardening, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.